meet with basically almost everybody and learn about what people do. So it's really nice. Very good lunch, very well organized.
People together, so I'm seeing now in the room people interacting and exchanging ideas, taking each other's addresses and contact information. I think this is what conferences are all about. You know, they don't have to be big, they don't have to be glamorous. They just have to bring people who have authentic interests in different things.
Came from South Korea. I come to the Berlin European Conference to give my report about long COVID syndrome.
And I was really happy to be here and to moderate all the events, and it was very inspiring and enriching as an experience. As a student, I will suggest my colleagues to come to the next events.